Good morning, students. Department of Technical Education, Telangana. I. P. Narasimha, Senior Lecturer, Mechanical Engineering, Jawaharlal Nehru Government Polytechnic, Ramantapur, Hyderabad. Third semester, subject to Solid Mechanics, subject code 18M302C. Topic: Theory of Simple Bending and Deflection of Beams. Subtopic: Simply supported beam with point load. Recap: we have already studied in shear force and bending moment chapter, that is a simply supported beam, point load act at middle of the span, shown in the figure. The length of the beam is L, simply supported beam with point load at center. Deflection: the lateral displacement of beam under the load is known as deflection. Objectives: on the completion of this period, we have to derive an expression for slope and deflection for simply supported beam with point load at center. Simply supported beam with a point load at W is the middle of the span. The length of the beam is L at ends A and B. The point load will be acted in middle of the beam. We can find out slope and deflection. Consider a simply supported beam AB length of uniform section, length L, carrying a central point load W. As load is symmetrical, sections at A and B are equal. So we can calculate that is the load will be acting exactly middle of the span. The length L, the points A and B, the length and middle of the span, the point load will be act at middle point, that is the point C. We can calculate reactions according to reaction finding method, that is the RA and RB. We calculated that is the reactions RA and RB in shear force and bending moment chapter. So that is the RA and RB is equal to, that is the W by 2. That is the reactions at A, W by 2, reaction at B, W by 2. So that can be noted on the diagram. Consider any section XX at a distance x from B. The bending moment at that section is given by Mx, means the bending moment at section XX, that is Mx is equal to W by 2 into X, That is the equation number 1. But bending moment at any section is, that is m is equal to ei into d square y by dx square. So that is the equation number 2. Equation number 1 and equation number 2, that is the bending moment at xx, and according to bending equation, differential equation for deflected beam, that is the m is equal to ei into d square y by dx square. So that is both are 1 and 2 are equal, so we can equal them. That is the 1 and 2 equations, that is the ei into d square y by dx square is equal to w by that is the ei d square y by dx square is equal to w by 2 into x. That is the equation number 3. Integrating the above equation, third, we can get ei into d square dy by dx, that is equal to w into x square by 4 plus c1, that is the fourth equation number 4, where c1 is the integration constant. We know that at x is equal to L by 2, slope dy by dx is 0. At middle, the slope is 0 in simply supported beam. That is the c1 is equal to minus w L square by 16. So we can substitute that value in the equation number 4. So that is the ei into dy by dx is equal to wx square by 4 minus wl square by 16 is the slope equation from, that is a simply supported beam. Point load will be act at middle of the span. Slope equation we can integrate once again with respect to x. That is the integrating again, we can get the ei into y is equal to capital W x cube by 12 minus wl square by 16 into x plus c2. That is the fifth equation, where c2 is a constant of integration. We know that at x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, that is c2 is equal to 0. So we can substitute c2 value in fifth equation, that is the deflection. We can get the deflection equation, that is the ei into y is equal to, that is the w x cube by 12 minus w L square by 16 into x, that is the deflection equation. Putting x is equal to 0, the slope b can be calculated. That is the putting x is equal to 0, the slope b can be at point b can be calculated. So that is ei into dy by dx into b, that is the minus wl square by 16. That is the theta b is equal to dy by dx b, that is the w minus wl square by 16 here. Due to the symmetrically slope at a is equal to the slope at b, that is the slope at a, theta a is equal to dy by dx at a is equal to wl square by 16 ei, since theta b is equal to minus theta a. Deflection is maximum at the center, that is equal to at point C, that is the point C. At point C, the x is equal to L by 2. So we can substitute x is equal to L by 2 in deflection equation. So that is the yc is equal to minus WL cube by 48 EI. The maximum downward deflection, that the y maxima is equal to yc is equal to WL cube by 48 EI. Second, deflection at maximum at center point C, that is the x is equal to, we can substitute L by 2, that is the deflection equation. We can get the deflection at C, yc is equal to WL cube by 48 EA. Maximum downward deflection, y maxima is equal to yc is equal to WL cube by 48 EA. Next, problems. So that is the, we know that is value, that is the slope at two end points, that is the WL square by 16 EI, and deflection at middle WL cube by 48 EI. So that is the, you can calculate the slope and deflections problems in simply supported beam. A simply supported beam 1.5 meters long is subjected to a central load 10 kilonewtons. Find the deflection of the beam if capital E is equal to 200 giganewton per meter square and I is equal to 12.1 into 10 to the power of 6 mm to the power of 4. According to problem, the given data, length of simply supported beam is given, that is the L is equal to 1.5 meters, that is the 1500 mm. The point load at free end capital W is equal to 10 kilonewtons, that is the 10 into 10 to the power of 3, that is equal to 10 to the power of 4 newtons. Modulus of elasticity E, capital E is equal to 200 giganewton per meter square, 2 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per mm square. Moment of inertia is given, that is I is equal to 12.1 into 10 to the power of 6 mm to the power of 4. According to the problem, we can draw a simply supported beam. The point load will be W will be acting at middle, that is W is equal to 10 kilonewtons. So L is equal to length of the beam is the 1.5 meters. So at point C, the central load, central point load, that is the 10 kilonewtons will be acting at both ends. So at A and B, supports will be there, simply supports. We know that the maximum deflection is Y maxima is equal to YC is equal to capital WL cube by 48 EI. So that is the, we can substitute the values. So that is the Y maxima is equal to 10 power 4 into 1500 cube by 48 into 2 into 10 to the power of 5 into 12.1 into 10 to the power of 6. That is the Y maximum is equal to 0.29. That is the deflection maximum at the center point, that is the C. So that is the Y maximum is equal to 0.29 mm. Summary: for simply supported beam with central load capital W, length L, at extreme ends at point A and point B, the slope is equal to WL square by 16A. Deflection at point C, center point, that is the middle, that is the deflection at point end points, that is the value will be given, that is the deflection WL cube by 48, the slope that is the WL square by 16a, and deflection at point 2, that is the end points will be 0. At center the slope is 0, at end points deflection is 0, and at center deflection is WL cube by 48 EI. Quiz number 1, that is for simply supported beam with central load W, length L, deflection at the center, A answer is W. WL square by 16 EI. B answer is WL cube by 16 EI. C answer is WL cube by 48 EI. And D answer is WL square by 48 EI. The answer C is the correct. That is the WL cube by 48 EI. Question number 2. For simply supported beam with central load capital W, length L, deflection at the extreme points, A W L square by 16 EI. B answer is WL cube by 16 EI. C answer is WL cube by 48 EI. And D answer is 0. Extreme ends, that is the D answer is 0 is the correct. Another quiz question, third one. For simply supported beam with central load capital W, length L, slope at extreme points, that is the A answer is WL square by 16, the B answer is WL cube by 16 EI, and C answer is WL cube by 48 EI, D answer is WL square by 48 EI. The answer A is the correct, that is the WL square by 16 EI. That is the A answer is correct. Another fourth is question. For simply supported beam with central load W, length L, slope at the center, A answer is WL square by 16 EI. B is given, that is the WL cube by 16 EI. C is the WL cube by 48 EI. D is the 0. Slope at center, that is the D answer is correct, that is the 0. Questions asked in examinations. Number 1, that is the derive an expression for slope and deflection of a simply supported beam with a point load at the center. Okay, thank you.